Aquarius rising, Astro Theology and the Union of Souls. We are approaching the conclusion of our videos on Aquarius rising. I am sometimes asked how it feels to have exposed the magic trick of the priesthood and robbed people of their faith and belief. I recall the words of Miyamoto Musashi, who said, quote, "Truth is not what you want it to be, it is what it is, and you must bend to its power or live a lie." End of quote. My journey into the astro-theological aspects of the Bible answered decades-long questions. To go through the process and to come out and understand the Bible basically exists in two parts. The first part deals with star movement presented in allegory form. The second aspect is how moral aspects have been taken from prehistory, copied and pasted. To see this and understand that moral precepts begin and end in the mind of humankind was a significant personal revelation. Did I feel like I lost something? Did I feel like I lost God or a chance to get to heaven? On the contrary, an understanding of astro theology is to know that everything is related and all of it moves in great cycles. The process of writing Aquarius rising only served to deepen my respect for the biblical editors who were masters and geniuses. The Bible we have today exists as both an exoteric and esoteric work. It is only a personal matter of where and how far you wish to go on a particular path. Biblical astrotheology did not destroy my faith in God, rather it served to deepen my relationship with the Great All by showing me the unity of all souls. What you are experiencing now is a single projection, into just one specific space-time of an infinitely immense structure within the Great All, a structure that contains all souls, infinitely interconnected, endlessly becoming. It is merely a limitation of awareness that makes it difficult for you to visualize this. You are aware of only one small facet of the continuum of souls. You are simultaneously a drop in the vast ocean of being, and the ocean of being itself. There is no paradox. The apparent lack of an external, fixed deity on a throne in heaven may be uncomfortable for some people. Yet, this uncertainty is what creates new possibilities. The new cannot come forth from fixed, stagnant, or monolithic. Learning to surf within an uncertainty may initially be disorientating. So long as the core remains centered on the pole star of love, it will be easy to navigate within this new era. Love is truly the universal frequency that binds the heavens and earth. Astrotheology does not kill this love. Instead, it extends it to all and everything. So many in this day and age live in fear because of the separation they feel. Separation breeds indifference and false superiority. Unity produces compassion and genuine care for the other. We must start thinking holonically, working together as species, not nations, countries, and individuals. That era has passed, and those systems are in decline. It is time for an upgrade. Transitions between epochs and shifting the consciousness and spiritual awareness of an entire planet is a slow process. The gains may seem small at first. Given enough time, they will grow substantially. Just as a single drop on a tin roof barely makes a sound, thousands of raindrops operating in unison are deafening. One of the better traits of humanity is that we choose to face the coming light of the future and are comfortable dancing on this fringe where ignorance meets enlightenment at an uncertain pace. The age of Aquarius will belong to those who can look at themselves in the mirror and create something beautiful. The age of Aquarius belongs to these brave romantics. The stars foretell the adventure is about to begin. Aquarius rising. God's speed.
The information in this video was taken from Aquarius Rising, Christianity and Judaism Explained Using the Science of the Stars by Rico Rojo. Aquarius Rising pulls data from over 4,000 years and numerous books and manuscripts and presents it in an easily digestible form for the modern reader. Aquarius Rising is available on your local Amazon in both print and Kindle. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.